Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a fun little announcement with you guys. I'm going to be starting a new series here on my channel and I cannot wait to share with you. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I'm a registered dietitian and I make lots of content here on my channel around nutrition, wellness, non-toxic living, a little bit of motherhood, and I love to dive into different nutrition topics and explain them in a way that is really, easy to understand and digestible, if you will. And in this new series that I am going to be starting, I am going to be diving into all of the micronutrients. You may have already seen my Nutrition 101 series where I have gone over all different kinds of nutrition topics, including a video on macronutrients, but I thought it would be cool to devote an entire series to all of the vitamins and minerals and just go through each one by one. So I'm going to be making a short video on each vitamin and mineral, aka micronutrients, and every other Monday starting next week I'm going to be uploading a new video as part of my micronutrient mini-series. I am a firm believer in the more that we know about nutrition, the more that we can link, what is in food and what is nourishing about food and what that does for our body. Just the more that we understand, the more exciting it is to, eat healthy food and lead a healthy lifestyle. And I'm all for balance. You guys know I'm a big intuitive eater, but the more base knowledge that we have when it comes to nutrition, I feel like just the better eaters we can be in general, and the better we can lead a healthy, balanced lifestyle that is really just focused on nourishing ourselves and feeling our best. So stay tuned. Starting next Monday and then every other Monday after that, I will be going through each of the micronutrients and giving you guys a short little video letting you know what that micronutrient does for the body, where you can find it in food, and all of that good stuff. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm really excited. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.